Here at Lyco Manufacturing, we are proudly expanding our facilities once again. Hi, I'm Brad Weber, Vice President of Operations here at Lyco Manufacturing. Back in 1984, we moved from Arlington, Wisconsin to Columbus into a new manufacturing facility. Then, in 1988, Lyco expanded again, followed by our third expansion in 2004. As Lyco has continued to grow and become the experts in innovative food processing equipment, we are just finishing up our fourth edition in May of 2024. With this latest building, Lyco now has over 100,000 square feet of total manufacturing space. Expanding our facilities with our lean manufacturing and continuous improvement in this ever-demanding world helps us to 1. Improve our manufacturing efficiencies while lowering our costs. 2. Deliver machinery faster with shorter lead times. 3. Accelerate our innovation and technology capabilities. And 4. Continue to provide the highest quality food machinery in the world. For more than 44 years, Lyco has been the leader in the food processing industry. We offer cooking and cooling equipment for pasta, rice, vegetables, dry bean hydrating, and chilling food service, hot-filled soups and sauces. Lyco serves customers in canning, freezing, fresh, ready-to-eat meal, and food service sectors. And we are in the top 50 of the 100 largest food processing companies in North America. Liquid solid separating equipment for wastewater screens and dewatering. Lyco saved customers over 3 billion gallons of water in 2023 alone. Root crop peeling for potatoes for the French fry and potato chip industry, along with peeling beets, onions, and carrots. Snap green bean equipment for snipping and washing of green beans. Lyco's passion is developing the best customer-aligned, innovative food processing machinery in the world. And we continue to grow while doing just exactly that. If you'd like to learn more about Lyco Manufacturing, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.